In the very heart of Africa lies Uganda, a country blessed with shimmering lakes, towering mountains, and endless rolling savannas, what Winston Churchill once famously called the Pearl of Africa. This land is a tapestry of vibrant life and breathtaking beauty, where every sunrise brings a new spectacle and every sunset paints the sky in unforgettable colors. Here, nature's grand theater is on full display, and nowhere is this more evident than in Queen Elizabeth National Park, a crown jewel of Uganda's wild spaces. This park is a living canvas, teeming with life and echoing with the sounds of the wild. Named in honor of Queen Elizabeth II's historic visit in 1954, the park is a breathtaking mosaic of grasslands, swamps, and dense forests. This diverse landscape creates a sanctuary for an astonishing array of wildlife, from herds of elephants and buffalo to elusive leopards and countless species of birds. Our journey today takes us to Ishasha, a remote and wild southern sector where the landscape is dotted with enormous sycamore fig and acacia trees, their branches stretching wide over the open savanna. This is a place where the wilderness feels untouched, and every corner holds a secret. These ancient trees are more than just part of the scenery. They're the stage for one of Africa's most unusual and captivating wildlife spectacles, providing shelter, shade, and a vantage point for the animals that call this place home. In the quiet, dappled shade of these giants, a remarkable group of lions has made its home, defying what we thought we knew about these powerful predators. Here, they have adapted in extraordinary ways to thrive in this unique environment. Prepare to witness the story of Uganda's legendary tree-climbing lions, a phenomenon found in only a few places on Earth, and nowhere as spectacular as here. These unique lions spend their days not on the ground but high in the branches, lounging above the savanna and observing their kingdom from a lofty perch. From up here, they escape the heat, biting insects, and perhaps even danger. It's a sight that challenges our understanding of lion behavior and fills us with wonder. To see these majestic cats draped across branches, gazing out over the plains, is to witness nature's creativity at its finest. Let's quietly approach and learn the secrets of these incredible animals, discovering how they have adapted to life among the treetops and what makes them so unique in the animal kingdom. Welcome to the enchanted world of the tree-climbing lions. The adventure begins now in the heart of Uganda's wild and magical landscape. Lions are known as rulers of the savanna, commanding respect with their power and presence. For centuries, they have been the iconic symbol of Africa's wild heart, roaming vast grasslands in search of prey and shelter. Built for life on the ground, their muscular bodies and powerful legs are designed for stalking and sprinting across open plains. Across Africa, climbing trees is rare and awkward for most lions, usually just a cub's game or a last resort to escape danger or biting insects. Adult lions, with their size and weight, typically avoid the challenge of tree trunks and branches. But in Ishasha, the rules are different. Here, the landscape and the lions themselves break the mold. Here, lions have become masters of the trees, climbing with purpose and surprising grace, as if they were born for this unusual skill. Fully grown adults, both male and female, ascend 6-meter-high branches, lounging in the cool breeze and escaping the heat and biting insects below. This isn't a quirk. It's a fundamental part of their daily routine, passed down through generations. Cubs watch and learn from their elders, perfecting the art of tree climbing as they grow. A lioness draped over a branch, her tail swaying gently in the breeze, looks perfectly at home above the ground. A male surveying his territory from above. These are sights unique to Ishasha, where lions have adapted in remarkable ways. This behavior marks a profound shift in the ecological niche of an apex predator. Scientists are fascinated by how these lions have adapted and what it means for their survival. And visitors are left in awe, witnessing something truly rare and unforgettable. Why here? Why these lions? What makes Ishasha the only place where this behavior thrives? The answer lies in the unique pressures and opportunities of their extraordinary environment, where the trees offer safety, comfort, and a new way to rule the savanna. Let's explore what makes Ishasha's lions so special, and how their story is rewriting what we know about these magnificent animals. To understand the lions, we must first understand their kingdom. Queen Elizabeth National Park, nestled in the Albertine Rift, is a microcosm of Africa's diversity. Vast grasslands stretch toward the Rwenzori Mountains, teeming with herds of Ugandan kobe, the lion's primary prey. The Kazinga Channel connects Lake George and Lake Edward, drawing hippos, crocodiles, buffalo, and elephants to its banks. Bird life flourishes here with over 600 species, from the majestic fish eagle to the elusive shoebill stork. The park's rich flora supports everything from chimpanzees in the forest to weavers in the reeds. In Ishasha, large herds of kob and topi provide a reliable food source, while giant, climbable trees offer sanctuary. The lion's unique behavior is a direct response to this remarkable landscape. They are not separate from this world, they are an integral part of it. Here, adaptation and survival go hand in hand. Why do these lions climb trees when most others do not? The answer is a blend of comfort, strategy, and survival. On the ground, the savanna can be scorching and swarming with biting insects like tsetse flies. In the trees, lions find relief, a cool breeze and a pest-free sanctuary. Elevated branches also offer a strategic vantage point, allowing lions to survey prey and spot rival predators. From above, they can plan hunts and keep an eye on their territory. The trees provide safety, especially for vulnerable cubs, protecting them from hyenas and rival males. For the pride, the branches become a fortress and a peaceful retreat. This behavior is a clever adaptation to the challenges of their world. It's a testament to the intelligence and flexibility of these remarkable cats. In Ishasha, survival means thinking and climbing above the rest. The trees are their sanctuary. As dawn breaks over the Ugandan savanna, a golden light spills across the grasslands, and the tree-climbing lions begin their day. The air is cool and fresh, filled with the distant calls of birds and the gentle rustle of leaves. In this tranquil moment, the pride stirs, stretching and yawning as the first rays of sunlight touch their fur. After a night of hunting beneath the stars, the pride gathers to feast together, sharing the spoils of their teamwork. This communal meal is more than just nourishment. It's a ritual that strengthens the bonds between mothers, cubs, and siblings, ensuring the pride's unity and survival. As the sun rises higher and the heat intensifies, the lions leave the open plains behind and seek out their favorite sycamore figs and acacias. These trees offer not only shade but also a unique refuge from the sweltering midday sun and biting insects below. Climbing with surprising agility and grace, the lions ascend into the branches, each one finding a perfect perch. Their powerful muscles and sharp claws make them expert climbers, a rare skill among their kind. Cubs playfully explore the canopy, testing their balance and chasing each other along the limbs, while adults doze in the cool shade, their golden fur dappled by sunlight filtering through the leaves. Here, they are safe from the heat and can watch the world below. For hours, the pride rests high above the shimmering savanna, conserving precious energy for the night ahead. From their lofty vantage point, they keep a watchful eye on the plains, ever alert to the movements of prey and rival predators. As dusk falls and the sky is painted with hues of orange and purple, the pride awakens once more. They stretch, yawn, and prepare for another night on the vast African plains, ready to resume their roles as skilled hunters. Their descent from the trees is careful and deliberate, each movement calculated. They transform from lounging observers to focused predators, their senses sharpening as darkness approaches. The pride gathers on the grasslands, greeting each other with gentle nuzzles and low rumbles before melting back into the tall grass, nearly invisible to all but the keenest eyes. Their arboreal life is left behind until the next sunrise, when the cycle will begin anew. In Ishasha, the rhythm of life is written in the branches above and the grass below, a delicate balance between rest and action, safety and adventure. This is the daily cycle of the tree-climbing lions, a remarkable adaptation that sets them apart from all others. A life both ordinary and extraordinary, lived high above the savanna, where every day is a testament to their unique spirit. The tree-climbing lions of Ishasha are more than a curiosity. They're a symbol of Uganda's commitment to conservation. Their presence signals a healthy, balanced ecosystem, protected by dedicated park management and the Uganda Wildlife Authority. These lions are also a cornerstone of Uganda's tourism, drawing visitors from around the world. Tourism revenue funds conservation and supports local communities, building schools, clinics, and sustainable livelihoods. When people benefit from wildlife, they become its strongest defenders. The lions inspire pride and stewardship among Ugandans, reducing conflict and fostering coexistence. For scientists, Ishasha's lions offer insights into adaptability and social dynamics. Research here shapes conservation strategies for lions across Africa. The lessons learned in Ishasha echo far beyond Uganda's borders. These lions are ambassadors for their species and their ecosystem. Seeing a lion in the wild is unforgettable, but seeing one high in a sycamore fig is pure magic. In the quiet of Ishasha, you might look up to find a lioness resting peacefully in the canopy, her tail swaying gently in the breeze. There's no aggression, only a powerful sense of belonging. In that moment, the line between observer and observed blurs. You glimpse a secret, ancient world. This experience evokes deep respect for nature's resilience and adaptability. It reminds us that the wild is full of surprises and challenges our assumptions. The silence of the savanna amplifies the power of the moment, a memory etched for a lifetime. The tree-climbing lions inspire awe and connection, reminding us of our place in the natural world. This is not just wildlife viewing, it's a spiritual encounter. The story of the tree-climbing lions is beautiful, but fragile. Across Africa, lions face threats from habitat loss and human conflict, even in protected places like Ishasha. Their survival depends on our collective will to protect them and their ecosystem. This means safeguarding grasslands, prey herds, and fighting poaching. Sustainable tourism and community involvement are key. We can all play a part, supporting conservation, making responsible travel choices, and sharing their story. Every action, big or small, helps ensure these lions continue to grace the fig trees. The future of the tree-climbing lions is in our hands. Let's work together to protect this wild wonder for generations to come. The tale of Uganda's tree-climbing lions is just one chapter in the grand story of life on Earth. Every animal, plant, and landscape has a story to tell, stories of resilience, adaptation, and connection. By seeking out these stories, we deepen our understanding and empathy for the natural world. Share what you learn, inspire others to care. The more people who feel connected to wildlife, the stronger our collective voice for conservation. Let the image of a lion in a tree remind you of the magic and preciousness of our world. Carry that sense of wonder with you. The story of the wild is a living epic, unfolding every day. We all have the privilege of being part of it. Let's listen, learn, and work together for a hopeful future for all.